Oh, sweetheart, let's go. Where are you going?
I'm going home.
Home? You're homeless.
The doctor told me I'm discharged.
The doctor? When?
This morning.
This morning? Well, you're not even ready. Are you feeling good?
I don't care if I don't feel good. I just want to go home. He discharged me, so I'm gonna go home.
Oh, you're not feeling good. Eh, why are you packing? The packing doctor tell you to pack. Okay. Give me a minute. Okay, I'll be back. Stay right there. Hello, Dr. Macho. How are you?
Yeah, what do you need?
What do I need? Your attention.
Okay, make it quick.
Did you really discharge my room for Mr. Peters?
Yes, I discharged the patient. What's the problem?
Yes, you're the problem. Did you know the patient is homeless?
Okay, so get a social worker involved. Give me the paper, I'll sign. He can breathe, he can walk, he's fine. What else do we need to do for him?
Did you know the patient has physiotherapy, an X-ray, and CT scan, and also blood work before he go home? And did you know he's